Here I have CUBOT King Kong 7, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So first let's open upper bar, and here you can find this button battery saver. So just by tapping on it you can switch this mode. By holding a finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can set up a schedule for it based on percentage, and you can also set it to turn off when device is charged up to 19%. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.